you're looking for a place to record where I don't look like a crazy person. So I decided to show you guys what was in my sewing box. Or what you guys are about to see is just me cleaning up my box and talking about some of my key components within my box, and then how I like to reorganize my box. I'm saying my box a lot. Anyway, let's just jump into it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I'm up doing my normal Instagram scroll, and I thought I'd give you guys a little peek-see about what's in my sewing box, and maybe even put a video together so you guys can start your own sewing boxes, and make sure you have everything you need for every situation. So this is my normal box, and it's just a regular art bin twin top storage box. So on the top, it has these little, I guess, twin tops that open on each side, and just over time your box just becomes a wreck. You know, you use it so much, you travel with it. I travel with mine, so it's on the go, it's being shaken up. Things need to be just reorganized and put in the correct spots. So I wanted to show y'all my first sewing box, which was actually a gift when I lived in a home, which is a long story for another time. But this was the first sewing box that I got. Wow, and thinking about it, like, it's crazy how far I've come. But I gave this to my daughter, so I would just keep everything in it. They still carry this at Walmart. When I was at Walmart, I realized, oh, they must have got it from here. So it just latches like this, and I gave this to her like a year or so back when I switched to like the heavier boxes out of necessity. It's probably a wreck in here. She keeps stuff in it. Oh, okay, no, she cleaned it for me. So this was where I kept all my stick pins, and then, ooh, come on, box. And then like my measuring tapes and stuff will go in here, and then my bias tape, and then like all my little notions and supplies. So like my stick pins and buttons and highlighters and tracing pins, etc., is in here. And then in the bottom is where I kept like my rotary cutter and my scissors, my sewing machine oil that I don't leave home without. Yeah, oh my gosh, wow, this was dope seeing this. Okay, so this was my old box, and it's for my baby girl, like I said. But we're going to focus on reorganizing this box really quickly. Y'all like my nails? Look, I know I'm extra, but you know. And this, oh, this light, oh my god, it makes my hands look let's do it like this. There we go. So yeah, so at different points we'll check back in, and I'll show y'all how I organize it and how I'm putting everything together and what works for me and what's functional. Okay, and then we can talk about some things that y'all